What is going on, crypto family? This is your boy Random Arts coming with a quick video. And on this video, guys, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin as well as the strategy that you guys should be implementing this coming bull run, guys. So before I get into it, like always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Love to hear you guys' thoughts and opinion about the crypto market, guys. So guys, just within the last 24 48 hours, or probably even a little bit longer, we just had some massive news that came out for Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin currently right now sitting at $26,000. So it did have a little bump up due to this news. So it was actually a delayed reaction, in my opinion, because when the news dropped, there was no price action or change movement for Bitcoin. But now we're actually starting to see people starting to rally behind Bitcoin. So only up 2.44%. It did test that 25K mark and it held up nicely, guys. It held up nicely after this big wash. I thought we were about to see, lower, but surprisingly, it got right back up to these levels within the last 7 days. So what is this big news? You might be asking, Random Art. What is going on with Bitcoin? BlackRock, guys. BlackRock, if you don't know who BlackRock is, they are one of the biggest investors in the United States. And that means that they have their hands on different companies. But look at this news article. Look what it says. It said BlackRock files for a spot Bitcoin ETF with Coinbase as a crypto custodian. Guys, this is massive. The reason why it's massive, because some people think like, oh, I heard of Bitcoin ETF already, or Bitcoin futures, but a spot ETF, guys, is a lot different. The reason why it's different is due to the fact that once money is like exchanged in the stock market, it's being purchased on the open market at, simultaneously. So if an order's going in, then the buy order is going to happen within the actual market, guys, which is massive because now you're going to have big Wall Street institutional money be able to flood into Bitcoin. To put it in perspective, guys, when the first time the ETF happened for gold was roughly trading somewhere close to around $400, $500. After the ETF, this is the big massive run up on gold, guys. This was over a 400%. Currently, right now, as it sits, Bitcoin is currently at 26,305. So a 400% increase right now for Bitcoin because of a massive run up of a spot ETF. We're looking at Bitcoin over $100,000. To be precise, we're looking more like $104,000 for Bitcoin. Now, this is not even factoring the Bitcoin halving. This is the great part about it too, guys. Bitcoin, in my opinion, is going to surpass 100K. Might even go to close to 200 or maybe even 300. Who knows? Because one thing about the last bull market that we didn't have, and why we didn't actually see that 100K mark where everyone thought that that's where Bitcoin was supposed to go, is the fact that we didn't have the volume of China. So China, or Hong Kong to be more precise, they're urging regulators they're pushing their banks to service Bitcoin, guys. So they are bullish on Bitcoin. So now that we have this in the pipeline, guys, this may be the biggest bull market that especially for Bitcoin, that we have ever seen. It may even be the last chance where you could actually make easy money with Bitcoins before the regulators step in. So the Bitcoin halving, this date, like I mentioned, this date could flip and flop based upon, how fast the blocks are being mined. But as of today, April 9th, less than a year, guys, 297 days. What's that is like 9 months and some change? Like, guys, it is fastly approaching. So what am I doing right now? What is Random Arts doing right now to prepare himself for this bull run? I'm not buying Bitcoin. I'm buying the alts. Reason why I'm buying the alts, because the alts typically have a huge upside. You guys already know that I'm buying Bone. That's off rip. Today, I actually choose to buy I'm actually choosing to buy Fun. I'm actually buying Fun today. I'm buying Flex or Flux or whatever it's called. I'm buying all these different coins, guys, these different altcoins to be able to diversify myself to have the best possible outlook. Now, one of the new ones that I'm actually going to start getting into is ordinals, because I believe, and this is straight off of the Bitcoin blockchain, I believe this may be a hidden gem that a lot of people are going to miss, because since it is on the blockchain of Bitcoin, like the pricing of it may surprise people. I'm talking about getting over to hundreds of dollars for this type of coin. So that's just my thoughts and opinion about it, guys. I'm super excited just to be able to see what's going on in this market. So, not financial advice, of course, but keep this in mind, guys. Definitely keep this in mind. All these new cryptos that's coming out, looking for the next 100x, like, it is, in my opinion, it is the worst time to try to get into new projects during a bear market, guys. Those type of investing should be done during a bull market, because anything that you slap money into a bull market typically goes up because the overall market is going up. But let me know your thoughts and opinion in the comment section. Let me know what you guys are buying. I already let you guys know what I'm buying here. So this is Random Mars signing off. Hopefully you have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.